Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with USAC for affordable study abroad programs, easy tutorial step by step clearly. To connect with USAC for affordable study abroad programs, start by visiting the official USAC website. Once on the home page, look for the Programs tab in the navigation menu. Click on this tab to explore the various study abroad options available. Filter the programs by the country or region you are interested in. Read through the program descriptions to find one that aligns with your academic and personal goals. Make a note of the program details, including dates and costs. Next, locate the Contact Us section on the website. This section usually provides options for reaching out via email or phone. Choose your preferred method of communication. If emailing, draft a clear and concise message. Include your name, the program you're interested in, and any specific questions you may have. If calling, prepare your questions in advance for a smoother conversation. Once you have reached out, wait for a response from the USAC team. Be sure to check your email regularly for any updates or additional information. If necessary, follow up after a few days to ensure your inquiry is addressed. As you receive information, start preparing your application materials. This may include transcripts, letters of recommendation, and a personal statement. When you are ready, submit your application through the online portal provided by USAC. After submitting, keep track of your application status and any upcoming deadlines. Once accepted, review the orientation materials sent by USAC for important information. Finally, prepare for your adventure by planning your travel, accommodations, and study arrangements. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.